In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply or join Pocket Option affiliate program. So the first thing you want to do is go to this website, which is affiliate.pocketoption.com. And then once you're on the website, you simply want to click registration over here, which will take you to the very bottom of their website, and over here you can start the registration. Now make sure it's not under already registered, but you want to click on registration. In here you want to put in your email. There we go. I'm just gonna type that in, and then you want to put in your password. So let's say it's gonna be this for me, and then you want to click I have read and accepted the affiliate agreement, and then you want to click start. Now after you do this, as you can see, it will take you to their registration page. I'm going to click never over here. It says password must contain at least one lowercase, one uppercase, one digit, and one special character. So in case you get this, make sure you actually use a strong enough password, okay? Because if you don't, they're actually not gonna basically allow you to do this. So let me just do this right now. There we go. I hope this one is going to be good. Then you want to click I'm not a robot over here. Of course, you will have to click on all these things that it tells you to, and then you have to accept this, click sign up. And after this, in a second, there we go, your sign up will be complete. And as you can see, this is their affiliate panel. And over here, you can just start promoting your things. If you want your affiliate links, you can go to the left where it says affiliate links over here, and then you can create your affiliate link over here. So this is your basic link, but you can create a new one if you want to as well. You can see your promo codes, your mobile links, etc. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.